How to draw an anime girl in less than 2 minutes. Draw a circle and add a vertical line for symmetry. The horizontal line helps define position of eyes, ears, and jaw. Eyes will be positioned on the horizontal line. Just make sure the distance between them is the size of one eye. The end of the horizontal line is where the jaw starts and it ends depending on how mature you want the character to be. The ears also begins at the end of the horizontal line. Draw the hairline. Decide on how you want to split your hair and from there draw a curve depending on hair type. Lower the opacity. Time for line art. Open Symmetry tool. Draw a curve at the top and a little line at the corner for lower lids. An oval for the eyes. Add eyelashes. Mouth is placed at the bottom of circle guide and the nose is placed in between the mouth and eyes. Follow the guides for jaws and ears and tweak if needed. Time for hair. Draw V shapes for hair strand. For the top of the hair, give space between the guide and new line art. Since hair has volume, so it's positioned a little upwards. Add thickness to the corners to give appearance of depth. Add lines for highlights. Close symmetry and start adding random hair strands. Accessorize character and give props to show personality. Add soft lines to areas where shadow is. Done. Let's start with the base color. You can add colors depending on your style. By going diagonally over the color wheel, choose the tone for the shadow. Don't choose gray colors and make sure to change the hue a little to make character pop. Add white base for the eyes. Add blush using airbrush. Color the top of the eyes grayish blue for shadow and light blue for eyes. Get a darker blue for the eye shadow. Always change the hue. Blend, blend, blend. Open new layer and set to add or color dodge for the eye sparkle. Since the character has brown hair, I changed the hue to a dark pinkish color for the shadow. It looks better than coloring with the same hue. Add the shadow depending on light source and intensity. Adding lines for shadow defines the individual strands of hair and clumps. Get a lighter color for shadow and add at the top of her hair. Rendering time. The lines from the sketch can be a little messy, so this process helps in cleaning up and refining your character. Add random strand of hair around to add more detail and depth. Done!